If you plan on using this over and over again, I encourage you to get a dry gas blanket to purge any moist air. My shop right now is 36% humidity. It's not terribly humid. A couple days ago, it was about 58% humidity. Sometimes it can get even more so. Humid air reacts with the components to slowly degrade them over time. And it's not quick, but if you want to preserve your ingredients or materials, use a dry gas blanket. So there's a brand called Bloxygen, which is canned argon that works. You can use nitrogen, and the company that makes rubber, Smooth On, has a product for their rubber called Extend It that also works with this. I don't sell any of that. You can use whatever you want. You don't have to use it, but understand that if you keep opening this over and over and over again, a dozen times, 2 dozen times, and it's humid, you're going to shorten the shelf life. So that's part A.